How to watch TikTok without account or app. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can watch TikTok videos without account or without the app. Now, if you want to watch a TikTok video or if you want to stream TikTok but you don't want to create an account or you don't want to log into your account or you don't want to install the app, then there's basically a way you can watch it or do so. Now, the first thing is you'll need to head over to your phone browser. Now, if you are on phone, you can head to your browser on your phone. If you are on desktop, you can head to your desktop browser. Now, first thing, head to browser, and then what you want to do is on the search bar, search for tiktok.com. Now, what you want to do is tap on the second link right here and a page opens up here. Now you can see it will ask me to open TikTok as I have installed TikTok and I have my account, but I want to open TikTok right here. Just simply tap on not now and then you can watch the video right here like this. Now if you scroll down, you can watch and stream more videos right here. And while you stream, you'll get the option to open TikTok or login. It will ask you to open simply your TikTok app or log into the account. Now what you want to do if you don't want to log in, however, is first tap on login here and then simply tap on the cross option again. And then again, you'll be able to stream the video right back. This way you can watch TikTok without account or app. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.